Ay, qué susto.
Hi. Hey, are you practicing to be like a singer? Like, oh yeah, oh for rock, oh, do.
No.
What?
I'm practicing the OU sound.
Oh.
Oh. Do. Bo.
Hey, boat? You like boats? I like boats. You go on a boat, go on the lake, and go fishing, go swimming, hang out in a tent.
I am practicing the OU sound.
Mhm.
Like I bought a car.
Oh, no. Bought a car. Bought a car.
Bought.
Yeah. In English, the O and the U have some different sounds. Most of the time, an O and a U make O. Like though, shoulder, and donut. Donuts.
Dan.
Oh, sorry, I'm hungry. Other times, an O and a U with a GHT at the end make aw, like bought and thought.
Thought.
Yeah. So let's practice, okay? So think, ready? O and U, oh, yeah. Try.
O and U. Oh yeah.
Yes, good. Now the other one, ready? G, H, T, aw. Try it.
GHTR.
No, come on. Really try, ready? O and U, oh yeah. G, H, T, aw. O and U, oh yeah. G, H, T, aw. Oh, English, yeah!